Our last sail of August was an adrenaline-packed day sail with 15 to 20 knot of wind gusts. We spent the day tacking back and forth, sailing downwind and beating up. Join us for some pure sailing on this corner of Lake Ontario.
It's pretty blustery out here.
Exactly.
They were forecasting 10, 12 knots of wind, but I don't know. We got the reef main, but we're trying to sail close haul. The point is more or less, we're beaming them more than anything else right now. But even then, we can't go close haul. We really heel a lot.
Oh wow, the rulers too.
And we got a good, at least more than half a meter waves.
Yeah.
We got more than half a meter. Some waves are more than half a meter, almost a meter for this little boat. It's a little daunting, is it? We're okay. We're experiencing this. I think we'll be okay as long as the wind does not really escalate from here. We should be okay. We're doing four knots over water. We're moving along. Boy.
No. I'm on my own while Paolo is down below looking for his pair of gloves. There it is, he found it.
I was holding the line this way. And my hand went with it. Just say thumbs up, baby. And this is. And right now, to our starboard stern, we have a companion boat sailing the same direction as us. I think it is a Catalina as well.
After tacking back and forth on a southwesterly direction, we then jibed and sailed back in parallel with the shoreline. Then after a while, we headed up again for a close reach. Man, I don't care that it's 29 degrees humid on land. It's cold out here on the water. Cold wind. That's why we're dressed like this. Another tack as we were now sailing on a port tack heading east. With the wind behind us, it was time for lunch. Wow, it's a big boat.
Security, all stations, United States Coast Guard, New York, United States Coast Guard, New York. Coast Guard Marine Information Broadcast, North Ontario,
United States Coast Guard. Okay, prepare to jibe? When we jibed, we centered the traveler of the main sheet. Then the trimmer would take hold of the sheets, prepared to release the working sheet. When the pressure on the main was low, we then jibed. We bore away, and as the head sail came over, we winched the sheet. Once the jibe was completed, we released the main sheet for the boom to come across the other side. It's crucial that the boom doesn't swing back when executing the jibe. I looked at the wind indicator at the top of the mast as a guide to steer the boat to a broad reach tack. We then trimmed the head sail for the new tack. We're on a broad reach.
At this time, we just know that people were picked out of the water and they're being brought to, it appears, Ward's Island Beach on the east side of Ward's Island. Over.
Then the wind shifted on us, and the head sail started to flutter. We were no longer on the right sail configuration for the tack we were on. Oh, here. The wind's coming, yeah, the wind is shifting here.
More wind now? Oh, we got wind. Yeah, it's shifting on me.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just doing a very bad job filling it.
Your beam?
I wasn't pointing this way before, right? Remember, because we were coming in towards there, now I'm going in towards there, getting
We
jibe.
were jibing.
We should have gone that way, now I'm going that way. I'm not doing a good job at the wind shifting, and I'm not really following the wind.
Well, it's going downwind, but now it's time to head back to port.
It's cold. It's really coming down the back of my neck.
So that's why we're heading back to port. I'm gonna make a cup of tea and to warm us up.
What kind of sailors are we? Arr, I should get some grog. Grog, that's what we need. Some good old grog. Keep us warm.
Thank you for watching. Come join us next time for another episode. I put out videos of my sailing, travel, and outdoor adventures. If this interests you, tap on the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of a new episode. For now, fair winds to all.